Thanks for joining me for another unboxing video. Today we have the DJI Pocket 2 Creative Combo. This was actually a birthday gift I got because I was looking at this and humming and hawing about the price because, well, it has a little bit of a price tag, but the reviews on it and everything I researched said it was definitely the thing to have, and I wanted to expand my functionality for being able to do things without having a whole bunch of different parts and etc and go over the top. This thing, as small as it is, does amazing stuff. So today we're going to open up, see what's in the box, and later on, of course, do a review. By all means, please check the video description for a link to the product and more details to be able to assist you further with your decision-making process and see whether or not it's something for you. I'm pretty excited about this product. I've been sitting on it for a couple of weeks, trying to find the time to actually do a review on it, or a video on it for that matter, ever since my birthday. And so here we go. We're going to do the unboxing of the DJI Pocket 2. Boo for effects because it was a gift. And let's check this out. Now this product actually is sold in major stores. I've even noticed some of the DJI products are being sold at Costco now and everything else. So you know you're doing something right when the big stores are saying, hey, we're going to carry this. I saw it in Best Buy. So I've seen it around. So it's not your cheap little product that's coming and going. That's going to be like disappearing within a couple weeks, a couple months. Okay. So the question is, aha, sneaky, opens up from the side like that. The big unveiling, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. So there we go. Let's check this out. Oh, she's in there. In there pretty good. A little bit of a shake, rattle, and roll. We can get it out. I assume this is your main camera. Again, these very well sealed covers. Ooh, it's in there good. There she be, ladies and gentlemen. Security tape and everything else looking pretty good. You really want to make sure it's secure and not going to go anywhere. So we'll get back to that in a second here. This looks like a little bit of padding. Let's put that down for now. Empty the box. Oof, for such a small box, you get a lot in here. Okay. Let's start putting this stuff down and we'll get into the details later. All she wrote, ladies and gentlemen. That's just padding. Here's, of course, your cutouts, packaging, and whatnot. And that's it. That's all. Okay, let's get into the finer things. This appears to be your instruction manuals. Quick start guide. How to get started. There. DJI stickers. In case you wanted to promote the company. Ooh, let's get back here. Boom, boom, boom. Can you see that okay? A little hard, it's white on white. Okay. And the creator combo. We have a further book. Tell you what's going on. Excellent. Tons of paperwork. And that's all she wrote. That's out of that. You know, for such a small box, they managed to cram a lot in here. All right. Next. Talk about efficiency, everything. Okay, that looks like charging cables, connection cables. Your little strap to keep it secure. And we have more at the other end. You know, I saw the box and I was like, wow, it's pretty small. How are they going to fit everything in there? But they do. Hang on. Stuff stuck down there. We'll push it through the other side. Talk about micro and smalls and stuff. Wow. All right, your gel salt to make sure everything stays dry. You have connections and controls. This is little baggy number 1. Aha, your joystick type control. Put that there. Now, your next little baggie. Let's rip that sucker open. Aha. It is your microphone. Little furry thing for wind, etc. Okay. Next little baggie. Not like I'm going to save the baggies. This looks like your connection for your cell phone. Your standard C connection. And of course the C connection being for Android. And of course, well, that would be your iPhone type connection. This obviously is carrying stand case. Get a better grip. Oh, we forgot a baggie. And this looks like a lens, which in the description and the write-up of the combo pack will give you more details on that one. Okay, so that's it for the baggies. Like, there's nothing else. This is just all packaging, and there's nothing else in there. Now, let's get into some further details. This, of course, looks to be a stand. And I'll tell you one thing, they really secured every single bit of this. It's been shrinked and wrapped for efficiency. Stand, which I would imagine would fit in connections like this, which it does. And I believe I have another stand somewhere. Aha, here we go. So this would most likely be for the bottom of this. You'd screw that onto that. This would fit into here, as you can see. Boom, boom. But I'm pretty sure this probably comes disconnected. Yeah, I have to do a lot of looking into how all this fits together because this is a new toy. Oh, and it looks like it has power. Looks like it comes with power. Nice. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure this detaches so we can fit into here and then sit up, of course, upright like that. And this wonderful little thing in the midst here. Jesus, they got everything here. So many connections. I mean, for the price, you're getting a lot. Here, let me see if this works. This might just work a little better. No, it doesn't. Oh, there we go. Cap comes off. So that's what I was missing here. That comes off like that. This goes on like this. Snaps on. And then this goes on like that. Oh, I could play with this all day. I have a feeling it's going to, oops, sorry about the bumpage. Yeah, I have a feeling I'm going to have a little bit of investigating and a little bit of researching to do and hours of fun playing with this. This is the DJI Pocket 2, and that was for my unboxing. I'm going to do a review later on down the road once I've had time to play with it, but that is a heck of a lot that's plugged into that one box, and frankly, I think it's amazing. I think this is the wireless microphone, which is the coolest thing, which I was very much looking forward to. And oh yeah, see, that's how that works. See, that snaps onto that, it seems. And just goes onto there. And away we go. I'll get into this a little further. There's a bunch of videos out there, but if you want further details, by all means, check the link in my description. I'll provide you a link there for where you can buy one yourself. Also, some further resources. Thank you very much for joining me for the unboxing today. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like, share, subscribe, etc., etc. All appreciated moving forward. Thank you very much for watching, and have yourself a great day. Bye for now.